children. Today we are going to discuss in the part of assignment of 6th class chemistry. Our topic is materials and things. Okay. Now let us going to discuss the first question. Define word transparent. Define word transparent. Define word transparent. The materials which can allow the light through pass it. The materials which can allow the light to pass through it. To pass through it is called transparent. Once again listen. Define word transparent. The materials which can allow the light to pass through it is called transparent. For that I will show one example. See here, this is the watch. Okay, here this watch is having the surface of the watch is made up of glass material. Okay, if you want to see the watch, okay, here through this watch we can see the numbers. Okay, see clearly here this glass jar is acting as a transparent. Okay, next to come to our second question. Define word opacity. Define word opacity. We cannot see the materials through it. We cannot see. Okay, we cannot see through some materials is called opacity. The next example, duster, book. Okay, here this is the duster. Through this duster we cannot see the letters which are present on the board. And next to even book also we can take for the example for opacity. Okay, through this book we cannot see other materials which are present at other side of the book. So these are the examples for opacity. Okay, once again listen. We cannot see through some materials is called opacity. Those materials are acting as opacity. Right? Next to come to our third question. List 3 liquids which are transparent. Third question. List 3 liquids which are transparent. Okay. Water, alcohol, acetone. Water, alcohol, acetone. These are the 3 liquids which are transparent. Okay. Next to come to our fourth question. Name 3 objects which are made from opaque materials. Name 3 objects which are made from opaque materials. Okay, just now we have discussed about the examples for opaque materials. Duster, book, even this blackboard is also one of the best example for opaque material. Blackboard, even wooden doors. So these are the examples for opaque materials. Okay, next to come to our fifth question. Name any 5 objects fifth question. Name any 5 objects which are made up of more than two materials. Okay, knife. The best example is knife. See here, the handle of the knife is made up of plastic. Okay, here this knife is made up of alloy and plastic. Okay, alloy is a mixture of metals. Okay, the handle of the knife is made from plastic. So here, this is the knife which is made from two materials. Okay, next to one more example, bags, school bags. Okay, these bags are having zips. Those zips are made from nylon threads. Okay, so these are the two examples for the objects which are made from two materials. Okay, next to come to our bits. First question, the glass materials through which we cannot see objects are called dash. Option A, transparent. Option B, opaque. Option C, translucent. Next, option D, none of the above. Once again, listen the question. The glass materials through which we cannot see objects are called opaque. Okay, option is B. Next, second question. Which of the following is transparent material? Which of the following is transparent material? Option A, wood. B, glass jar. C, cardboard. Option D, steel. Okay, once again, which of the following is transparent material? Okay, wood is the opaque material, cardboard also opaque material, steel also opaque material. Glass jar is the transparent. Option is B. Okay, next to come to our third question. Table is which type of material? Option A, opaque. Option B, transparent. Option C, translucent. Option D, none of the above. Okay, table is which type of material? Okay, opaque, transparent, translucent, and none of the above. See here, table is the opaque material. Option A. Okay, next to fourth question. Choose the object choose the object from the following. Choose the object from the following which is opaque. Which is opaque. Option A, air. Option B, water. Option C, tissue paper. Option D, metal sheet. Metal sheet. Choose the object from the following which is opaque. Okay, here air is transparent, water also transparent, tissue paper also transparent. See here, this metal sheet is the opaque material. Option is D. Okay, next to come to our fifth question. Which of the following objects shine? Fifth question. Which of the following objects shine? Option A, wood. B, paper. C, cardboard. D, steel spoon. Okay, wood, paper, cardboard, steel spoon. Which of the following object is shine? Okay, shine means lustrous, shining surface. Steel spoon is having lustrous property, means shining surface. So here option is D. Steel spoon is the answer for this question. Okay, thank you.